lovely,
just...
lovely, lovely.
Oh, nice.
Lovely.
What's up, kitchen gangers? How y'all doing? Welcome to Moya Moy's kitchen, where cooking is long made edible. In our kitchen today, we'll be preparing some beef lasagna. Now, this has been a requested dish, and I'm definitely going to pull it off for you guys. Now, for the bang of love and support from me I get from the MTM family, big up on yourself. Like, no lie. Like, you guys came right out to the support, and I just so appreciate it. Like, I love you guys so much. Big up and shout out to all my commenters, everybody in that comment section. Just, you understand? Big up on yourself. Now, stay tuned for the goodness. So you need your ground beef. I have my cheese here. I have my lasagna pasta. I have some sliced cheese, my tomato sauce. I have my cheese sauce here, and then I have my spices. And for our spices, we have our basil leaf, we have some garlic, we have tomatoes, we have some parsley, some oregano, our onions, bay leaf, sugar, salt and black pepper, and I have some red pepper, cayenne and paprika. So that's all you need for your lasagna. The first step is to prepare your beef, and to some oil I'm going to add so we're allowing this to get brown. We're allowing our beef to get brown, all of it, and we're trying to get rid of all that clump and lump in our beef. We don't need all of that, so that's what we're doing here. Your meat should be looking something like this, okay? And then what you want to do is to drain your meat, and you're going to return to the fire. So let's do that. So you drain your meat like so, and then we're going to put it back in the frying pan. So let's do that. So back to our frying pan, we're going to saute our onions, some garlic, and some tomatoes. You should be smelling this. You should be smelling this, y'all. Smells good. Now it's time to add your beef. Now time to add your tomato sauce, right? We're going to add some salt and black pepper for taste, of course. We're going to add some oregano. You know, spicing up our beef. You know, we have to make it tasty, and so I'm going to add a little basil leaf to it also, just a pinch or two. My cayenne and paprika, you know, we'll add in a little spice to it. Yup. This gonna taste good. I'm telling y'all, it's gonna taste good. So guys, I washed out my tomato paste bottle, and I'm pouring that water onto my beef. So after pouring in my water, what I'm going to do is add a bay leaf. Trust me, it's going to enhance that flavor. And then I'm going to add a tablespoon of sugar. Trust me on this. Just trust me on this. It's gonna taste good, okay? So allow this to cook for about 30 to 45 minutes and you're good to go. So we'll be back. To some boiling water, you're going to add your pastas, okay? And you allow to cook for about 8 minutes. Now you don't want it too soft, guys. Now it's time to dress your lasagna, and the first thing you want to add is your cheese sauce to the bottom of your bowl. I'm going to add a little cheese sauce like so, and you spread it out like so and so. It's now time to add your pasta, your lasagna, and we're gonna add it like so, and add another one like so, and then we're gonna add our beef. We're going to add our beef right on top, and we're going to spread it out. Right out. Now we're going to add a layer of cheese, like okay. And to this we're going to add a little more cheese sauce. You can go ahead and there's no specific way of layering your lasagna. You just go ahead and have fun, okay? Then you add your last layer of meat, which is beef. Let's grab some more from the pan. So you add your layers and then you top off with some cheese and some parsley right over on top, just like that. Okay? Add this to the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes and then you are through. Let's look for the final product. There you have it, guys, your lasagna made right here in Moya Moy's kitchen. Do enjoy. Now you allow this to rest for about 10 to 15 minutes before cutting. Now that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for joining until the end. Big up your nice clean set. Yeah, you're clean and nice. Big up yourself. And thank you so much for the countless support. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment below. So the comment section and someone just nice stuff and stuff for me. Big up on yourself. Until then, goodbye. Guys, stay safe. Ensure you stay sanitized. Wash your hands. Just be blessed. Enjoy.